What's going on, everybody? Today I will be doing a scene challenge. I'll be doing a scene based off of Stranger Things, specifically this shot, and this is my recreation of it.
都เขาบอกอย่างนั้นเนาะ
So the biggest challenge about this challenge was the fact that the location was not so similar to the shot itself, especially this window. For outside, we actually use a light to come in through the window. That would be the Amarin 660C. For ambience, we use the Amarin 360C. Now for the Christmas lights, I didn't really like the Christmas lights because it was giving off this greenish tint. However, I did add an MC light. The reason why was because Christmas lights wasn't giving enough light to light up my mom's face. And that is pretty much how I put this project together. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but then it was a great learning experience. And if you like this and you would like to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.